What if you could carry a camera in your pocket that is small enough to take anywhere, but powerful enough to produce footage that looks like it came from a much bigger camera? That's what makes the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P so interesting. It's tiny, lightweight, stabilized, and now comes with a dual camera setup that gives you much more flexibility. The main camera uses a 20 wide-angle lens with a 1-inch sensor, giving you better detail, improved dynamic range, and stronger performance in challenging lighting. But the second camera is where things get really interesting. You get a 60 equivalent 3x optical telephoto lens, so instead of relying completely on digital zoom, you can actually get closer while keeping the image sharp. The longer lens also creates more natural background blur, which can make your footage look much more cinematic. For vloggers and solo creators, the Pocket 4P is incredibly convenient. You can use subject tracking, frame yourself easily, and start recording almost instantly. Its small size means you can take it anywhere without carrying a full camera setup. Audio is also important, and the built-in microphones are good for casual shooting. But if you want cleaner professional audio, you can connect a DJI wireless microphone. Add a small windscreen, and you have a very compact setup that works surprisingly well outdoors. There's also a slow shutter mode that gives you more creative control. You can create motion trails and interesting effects, especially at night or when filming moving subjects. During the day, though, you'll probably want an ND filter because slower shutter speeds let in more light. For color, you can keep things simple with the standard profile, which looks good straight out of the camera. But if you want to color grade your footage, the log modes give you much more flexibility and help preserve details in both bright and dark areas. And honestly, I like that DJI focuses on high-quality 4K. Instead of simply chasing bigger numbers like 8K, you can also shoot high frame rate slow motion, giving you plenty of options for cinematic shots. Then there's the gimbal, which is still one of the biggest reasons to buy a pocket camera. Walking, running, or moving sideways, the mechanical stabilization keeps your footage smooth and natural without needing a separate gimbal. So who is this camera for? If you're a traveler, vlogger, solo creator, or someone who wants great footage without carrying a heavy camera bag, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P makes a lot of sense. The dual cameras give you more creative options. The stabilization is excellent. The main sensor delivers impressive image quality, and the entire setup is small enough to literally fit in your pocket. And that might be its biggest advantage, because the best camera isn't always the biggest or most expensive one. Sometimes, it's simply the camera you actually have with you. Would you choose the Pocket 4P over a traditional mirrorless camera? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.